today's video, we'll need construction paper, a pencil, a black marker, a brown marker, some scissors, and some glue. For the construction paper, you can either use a light blue or a white, whatever color you want your snowman to be. A piece of orange. If you don't have orange, you can always also use an orange marker, and something for your scarf. So I'm gonna use blue, but for the scarf, you can use whatever color you want. First, we're gonna get our paper and our pencil. We're gonna get our paper and we're gonna fold it in half. Once we fold it in half, we're gonna draw the shape of our snowman. You're gonna use your pencil and you're gonna draw very, very lightly. You can always either use a compass or a circle to trace something. I'm gonna freehand it, but if you feel like you would rather trace 3 circles, that's also totally fine. You want to make sure that at least one part of your snowman is touching the crease, so that way it's foldable. If you're not sure about how many pencil marks you're going to have, you can always draw your snowman on the back, so that way when you cut it out, the front part is clean and you don't see any pencil marks. Now we're going to cut it out. Now we've got our snowman, and you can open it up and you've got the beginning of your card. Next, we're gonna get our orange construction paper, or you're gonna get your regular paper and your orange marker, and we're gonna draw out a little nose. It's gonna be pretty easy, just a little triangle shape. It could be long and skinny, or it could be short and fat, totally up to you. It can be crooked, it can be wonky. We're gonna cut out a couple different noses and see which one works best. You can also experiment yourself. Carrots aren't perfect, so yours should not be either. There's one example. We're gonna try our next one, kind of wonky. And then our final little short fat one. You're gonna play around and see which one you like the best. I think I'm gonna go with the long skinny one. Then we're gonna cut out the scarf. Next, we're gonna draw our scarf. So grab your other sheet of paper, or if you're using white paper, just make sure that you have your markers next to you, and we're gonna draw a scarf for our snowman. So you're gonna start by measuring out how wide his neck is. You're gonna do something like that. You're gonna make a little rectangle, and then we're gonna give it a little tail for the scarf part. How the tail looks is totally up to you. I'm just gonna make it kind of look like an L. We're gonna cut it out. Next, we're gonna get our black marker. We're gonna get our black marker and we're gonna draw our snowman's eyes. We're just gonna do 2 circles plus his mouth, so some more coal. Totally up to you how many pieces you want to do. Then we're gonna give him his buttons. Finally, you're going to get your glue and you're going to just do a couple little dots on the scarf and the carrot. This might be better with a glue stick, but if you have regular glue, just make sure that you do little dots so that it doesn't spread out and get all over the place. Then you're gonna get your brown marker and you're gonna draw his arms. You can draw them however you want. I'm gonna have one of them adjusting his scarf and the other reaching down. Because they're sticks, you don't have to worry about them being perfect. You can make them as long or as short as you want. You can give him a couple fingers, 3 fingers, no fingers, totally up to you. You can also add construction paper if you want and give him arms facing outward. But if you want to put him in an envelope and possibly mail him, it might be a little bit hard to do it with arms going out. And now you have a holiday card. You can just open it up and write whatever you want inside.